Okay, so this is my Mechatronics project. This is mainly the mechanical stuff. I'll show you the functionality in a moment. However, this is the haptic belt which goes around the waist, which I will be putting on a participant in a second. As you can see, these are the voice coil tactors. They can be spaced throughout the belt however you wish. They're currently haphazardly placed into different loops, which are also used to change the size of the belt. In the future, I will finish up the mechanism to easily latch these motors onto the belt. And then here are two force-sensing insoles, which detect the center of pressure, which I'll show in an example briefly. Everything here in our setup is being powered by this portable battery right here. It's controlling a Teensy microcontroller, which is controlling this sound card, and the sound card is sending sound, which is amplified by this amplifier. And because I broke an amplifier, I am currently sending the signal to 4 different speakers using a series of relays. So as you can see here, I have a model wearing the belt, and I'm going to tighten it along the waist. In such a way that now all of the tactors are making contact with the body, which I will show you in a second. As you can see, the belt has been placed onto the participant's body with the tactors all spaced however they are desired. The belt goes fully around the body and is closed using this latching mechanism here. Each relay controls the left, right, heel, or toe indicator. So for example, if I click the heel FSR, first it's the left foot and second it's the heel that is facing the most saturation. You can also do multiple and it'll do the same thing. It can do 2 heels. And just depending on how much force is saturating each FSR, it will choose how intense the vibration is. Let me see, we can do these, and it's still saturating to the left side because we're on the left insole. We're closer to the toe. We can do the toe on the left. And we'll do these. I don't know if you can hear. I'll just go to this and click on some tactors. Let's see if we can see it. It's this one right here. That this is center of pressure calculation and not just random FSRs being pressed. I'm going to select a couple of FSRs, and on the side you'll see the center of pressure estimation, both in the X and Y plane, X being the value 1 and Y being value 2. So I'm just going to press a couple. And I'll just do it lightly so it's not triggering anything. In terms of the intensity of the haptic cue, I've set saturation points of 2.5 and 3, which indicate whether or not the participant will feel a light vibration or an intense vibration.